Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? I am the Work at Home Job Queen, and today is February the 11th, 2021, and this is a 911 run, do not walk situation. I want you guys to hurry over, you guys. Sign up to this email newsletter, okay? Link in the description box down below. You're going to come to the blog and you're going to enter your email where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. I'm telling you, you are missing out on a lot if you're not on this email list, okay? And I'm just telling you this for your good, not mine, okay? It's free for you to join the email list, and I only send you new work at home job leads to your email, okay? I send out a lot of these leads, and oftentimes people are always like, well, the link no longer works. And I'm like, because you waited too long. If you get these things sent directly to your phone, you won't have a problem, okay? But also make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. It is free to join this group as well. A lot of amazing things happening over here. You can converse and link up with some of your coworkers, etc., people who are like-minded in the work at home world, okay? Make sure you have a photo. Make sure your account is not brand new. And make sure you answer all 3 questions when prompted, okay? First job I'm going to tell you guys about, run, okay? This link will not last long. So if it doesn't work anymore when you see this video, if you wait 2-3 hours to watch this video, make sure you click that notification bell so that you get notified when I upload these videos if you're not on the email list, okay? But Wayfair is currently looking for chat inbound sales agents to work from home. They provide you with all of the equipment that you need. The start date for this position is March 1st, okay? And you'll be doing exactly what the description says. You will be assisting customers with their purchases via chat, okay? So definitely check out this position, you guys. Don't wait. Click the link right now in the description box down below and just find Wayfair's under today's date, okay? And apply immediately, all right? Next up is going to be for Alorca. If you're in Idaho, Kansas, Mississippi, Louisiana, or New Jersey, definitely check out this position. This is for a new FEMA project that they have. Now, one of the young ladies who shared this with me, she said she doesn't live in one of those states, okay? She said she lives in a completely different state, and she was actually transferred to this position. So if you're not in one of those states, just apply anyway, because you never know, they may reach out to you. I'm not 1,000% sure about that. But the pay for this position is $18.64 an hour, okay? And they send you the equipment that you need for this one. So this is the Lorica. Link in the description box down below as well, okay? Also, make sure you guys check out Kelly Connect. If you're looking for an overnight position, so this is perfect for those of you who have outside jobs during the day and you want to try out working from home, maybe overnight, you know, when you're not working your other shift. I don't know how that will work out because you're probably going to be super tired when you go to work. So, but if you're interested in working from home, or if you're looking for a work at home job and you have children at home during the day and you want to be able to work while they're sleeping, check this out. They're looking for technical support reps to work from home. Now, the great thing about Kelly Connect is they're currently, they've raised their pay a couple of times, but now their pay is upwards of $16 per hour, okay? Paid training is $14.50. However, after training, you will increase to $16 per hour, and they also send you all of the equipment that you need for this position as well. Now, I'm pretty sure this link will not last long either. So again, this is Kelly Connect for technical support reps overnight, okay? So definitely check this out. Also, Accenture is looking for utility account billing agents to work from home. So what you'll do for this position is you will assist customers with technical support, customer support, accurate billing and maintenance of their utility billing records. So definitely check out this position as well. Now, basic qualifications, you need to have a high school diploma. You need to have a little bit of customer service experience. But as I always say, I don't care if you worked at McDonald's, you have customer service experience, okay? Also, there are several other positions, you guys. Remember, do not just stay under today's date, okay? I say that over and over again because it is very important to not only focus under today's date, because you're going to miss out on a ton of gems. I don't care if I posted some in October. If the link works, guess what? They're still hiring, okay? So under yesterday's date, make sure you guys come over and check out a lot of these other positions for Accenture. They're looking, you guys, Unfortunately, the unemployment rate is super high. However, this is the opportunity for those of you who are looking to make a lot of money to make a lot of money, okay? This is $18 per hour, and these people, I mean, I'm talking about you're going to be working, okay? So if you're looking to make some money, you definitely need to check this out, okay? So they're hiring for unemployment claims for the state of Kansas, Tennessee, and also they have another just general unemployment claims customer service agent position. Now, you do not have to live in those states, okay? Remember, you do not have to live in those states. You're just going to be providing the customer service for those states, okay? $18 per hour, and that is a censure, and that is under yesterday's date. Make sure you guys are paying attention to what I'm saying, okay? Make sure you come over to the blog and you scroll. I have people all the time, they're like, I can't find the link. The link is there. All you have to do is come and scroll. Just like you scroll your Facebook news feed, come and scroll on this blog and find a job. Okay, like seriously. So that is all. And you guys, there are so many other positions that are hiring. I think StarTech is still looking for their chat customer service agents. They are, okay? Definitely apply to this one. You do not have to live in Missouri, okay? Remember, you do not have to live in Missouri. If you do, you can go and pick up your equipment. But if you don't, you have to have your own equipment, okay? So definitely check out these positions, you guys. Run, do not walk. Link in the description box down below. Make sure you sign up to this email newsletter or you're going to be missing out on a lot. And make sure you come over here and sign up to this, the Work at Home Lounge. Make sure you answer the 3 questions when prompted. Have a photo and your account is not new. I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Good luck.